Hello, it's Sonya Eckel, Silver Senior Vice President, Sales Leader of the Planet Green team. And we are so excited that you are considering becoming a Norwex consultant and joining us in sharing these amazing products. So, I wanted to walk you through. There are 3 ways to join in January of 2024. So, let me show you those 3 options. Now, option 1 and 2 neither have a sales requirement to keep those kits because you do pay for those 2 up front. And option 3, you only cover the shipping and you have 2 ways to earn it completely free by having either $1,000 in sales in your first 30 days or $2,000 in retail sales in your first 90 days. Okay. So option number 1 is what we call our Safe Haven 5 kit for $87. This is going to have our 5 top selling products: the EnviroCloth, Window Cloth, Dust Mitt, Cleaning Paste, and Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. And as soon as you sign up with this kit, you get immediate consultant privileges, including the 35% consultant discount. And you still have the option to earn option 3 kit, the standard kit, for free, which I'll walk you through in a second. So option number 2 is what we call our New Beginnings Real Conversation Kit for $54.99. And in this, you are going to be getting the body and face pack in graphite, the graphite hand towel, and bath towel for just $54.99. And again, you just pay that up front, get full consultant privileges, and still have the option to earn the standard starter kit for free. Or option 3 is to start with our standard starter kit, which works a little bit differently. So with option 1 and 2, you're still going to cover the shipping in addition to the kit price. With option 3, Norwex only is going to charge you that shipping up front, and they're going to ship you this starter kit, which is over $200 in value. Comes with, again, our top 5 sellers, those Safe Haven 5 products: EnviroCloth, Window Cloth, Dust Mitt, a mini of the Cleaning Paste, and Ultra Power Plus laundry soap. Our highly coveted mop system, rubber brush, a 3-pack of the face and body cloths, as well as a carrying tote. Now, if you sign up for this, then you will pay the shipping upfront. They will ship you the kit and give you 2 ways to earn it completely free. So you can either submit, as I said previously, at least $1,000 in retail sales in your first 30 days or $2,000 in retail sales in your first 90 days. Either way, earning the kit for free. Now, should you start with this kit and not meet one of those 2 goals, then you will be charged $200 for the kit at the close of those 90 days. Okay. So let me just take you through a few more details, but I do want to just point out that when you sign up, you will be given the opportunity to do a upgrade package. And that upgrade package will automatically put you about $400 in sales toward that goal of having 1,000 in sales in your first 30 days or 2,000 in sales in your first 90 days. So that's kind of cool, as well as unlocking the Bright Start bonus package. Okay. Next up is I just wanted to give you a closer look at what comes in that standard kit. So whether you start with the standard kit and just pay the $9.95, so less than $10 shipping to begin your Norwex business and then go about earning it for free, or if you choose one of those option 1 or 2 and you pay up front for the smaller kit, you can still, when you meet one of those 2 goals, then you can still earn this full kit for free. So that's kind of cool. All right. And then this again is just a closer look at what comes in the standard kit: the mop, which is my favorite product, the Window Cloth, Dust Mitt, and EnviroCloth, the face and body cloths, the rubber brush, which you'll definitely want for both your dust mitt and your mop, and then a mini size of the cleaning paste and of the Ultra Power laundry detergent. Okay. Now, this is a great little picture of when you join whichever kit you choose, You can earn your Bright Start once you've submitted at least 400 in sales in your first 15 days. Once you've submitted either 1,000 in your first 90 days or $2,000, and these are retail prices, not your consultant costs, then you earn this starter kit for free, regardless which option you started with. And so this will kind of help you track some of those bonuses. All right, so how do you get started? So you'll want to partner with the consultant you're working with and get their joining link. And so you'll go to their consultant website, which if you're joining with me, this would be mine. And then you're going to click on Be a Consultant and then click this Join Us, and it'll take you right here. Go ahead and fill out your email, first, last name, create the password that you'll remember for your website. Agree that you're at least 18 and you've read the terms and conditions and get started. And as you work through, it'll ask you if you want to opt into text messages, if you want to take advantage of that upgrade package and things like that. So that's as easy as it is. So as you're getting started and deciding to jump in, the biggest thing you want to decide is which of these 3 kits would you like to start with. Again, if you go with option 1 and 2, you do pay this amount plus shipping upfront, and you still have the option to earn the full standard kit for free. Or if you just want to start for less than $10 shipping, so you have that really nice reasonable way to get started, you can go with option 3 and then you can earn it for free. Or if you were not to, be charged $200 90 days after your date of sign up. Now, these special offers are good until noon Central Time on February 1st. I hope this has been helpful. If you have questions, be sure to connect with the consultant who has invited you to take a look at this video, and we would love to welcome you to the Norwex mission and our Norwex team.